Troy Arthur, ARTHUR 13170.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Arthur. What are we doing?
Your Honor, Mr. Arthur is going to enter a plea to possession of open container of no contest. He's been incarcerated since 10/19. I would be asking for credit for time served.
Irma, what's your thoughts?
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Arthur is a frequent offender with our core, open containers galore, possession of paraphernalia. It looks like, at least with the court, he hasn't escalated from that, but he's got a lot of cases. Last time we saw him on an open container was early October 2nd citation, and because of this history, I'm assuming he was given 15 days in jail. So here we are a couple of weeks later, same issue, and we also received a notification from community court that he's no longer allowed to participate there. So our only option at this point to attempt to change his behavior is to impose jail time. So I'm going to ask that you impose another 15 days for this. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Arthur, did you enter a plea? What's your plea to the open container?
No contest, Your Honor.
What I'm gonna do,
With
going-
explanation.
yeah, listen, hey, I'm tired, this, anyways, no reason to preach. I'm gonna give you 15 days, Washoe County Jail, and no credit for time served.
Can I get explanation with that? I met my buddy. He is from the Marine Corps. I haven't seen him in 30 years.
How long you been?
I've been there for 3 days.
Okay,
4
I'm
days.
gonna do. I don't want to hear this Marine Corps crap. You've got, you know what's right, you know what's wrong. Don't run that crap on me. Do you understand me? Don't give me, I'm hooking up with an old Marine buddy. We fought in World War II together, whatever. Don't do that. Don't do that. You had an open container. This is 26 cases you've got. Show a little bit of pride, a little bit of dignity. Okay.
Your Honor,
Be 15 days jail. I'll give you credit for the time served towards that. And thank you. Thank you for your, yeah, okay. Mariah Dammers, Damers. Been doing this long enough, I think I wouldn't get mad anymore.
Hello.
Hello. What are we doing on this? I've got here possible revocation on obstructing resisting. It's 30 days. It was handed down in April of this year. What are we doing, Ms. Burning?
Your Honor, my client is going to plead not guilty to the disturbing the peace, and she's also going to plead not guilty to the camping.
Oh, got it. Okay. All right. Ms. Colapietro, on 13219, what's your plea to disturbing the peace?
Not guilty.
Okay. On 10106, camping in public property on the river, what's your plea?
Not guilty.
Okay. City on bail?
Your Honor, Ms. Colapietro was also in court on Saturday for a bail hearing, and bail has already been imposed at $500 bondable.
Okay, Ms. Colapietro, I'm not going to redo what was done on Saturday, so it's going to be a $500 bondable. Now, if you make that bond, I want you to report upon release to the Reno Municipal Court for your pretrial conditions, and that's going to be simply obey all laws. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Does that bond cover both cases?
Yeah, it does.
Thank you.
Okay, her trial date, Judge, is 11/28 at 8 o'clock in the morning on both cases.
All right, thank you, Ms. Colapietro.
So am I staying or am I leaving? Or?
You've got a bond of, no, that's okay. You got a bond of $500. You got to post the bond to get out of jail.
Right.
Now you post the bond, just listen to me. You post the bond, you go down to the Reno Municipal Court. Your pretrial conditions are that you obey all laws, okay?
I've been here since Thursday, so I still have to stay.
Okay, let's try this one again. And I'm not being, you have a $500 bond. You need to post $500 to get out of jail.
I'm
Okay.
home. I don't have any money. And I have a dog that's waiting for me since Thursday.
What type of a history do we have on Miss Colapietro?
Hold on. Walker.
Your Honor, is that $500 bondable?
Yeah. Okay.
Your Honor, did you want me to answer that question?
Yes.
Okay.
Go
So it
ahead.
looks like she's been active since 2021. I have an open container and 21 an open container and 23 trespassing and obstructing or resisting. That was in April and July of 23, camping in a park with an FTA. August of 23, camping in a park, and then this case here. So, Judge, the reason why I asked for $500 bond, because I was there on Saturday, is because of the allegations as well as the fact that she's a repeat offender. So the allegations in the probable cause statement are that she was at Catholic Charities having a meal. She refused to leave when she was told the mealtime was over, and she allegedly threw food at one of the Catholic Charities employees and threw food at the employee's car.
All right, that's enough for me. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna keep it at 500, young lady. Thank you. Make the bail, report upon release to the Reno Municipal Court. Conditions are obey all laws. Thank you. Okay, let's go to Jose Amaya, AMAYA 00742. What are